Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a weather update for the ArkLaTex here as we take you through the next week to 10 days. You can see today we have seen the return of lots of sunshine as temperatures this afternoon have already warmed into the mid to upper 80s over most of the area as of 1 o'clock this afternoon, and it looks like we'll probably end up in the upper 80s to low 90s later on this afternoon. Here's what we're watching as far as our weather pattern. A couple things. We do have this upper level disturbance which is going to continue to move to the south and east. All this rain probably will move to the southeast with it and stay to the west of our area. You can see the upper level ridge right in here. That is eventually going to move towards the north and east and warm us up and keep us dry for the rest of the work week. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robin's Cellular Futurecast, and you can see that as we go through the evening hours, really nothing as far as rain here in the ArkLaTex, as we'll see a partly cloudy sky tonight. Tomorrow, expect plenty of sunshine and still not too bad on the humidity tomorrow. As well as maybe Thursday, but once that wind shifts around to the southeast starting Friday, we'll see a rapid return in the humidity across the area just in time for Father's Day weekend. Notice we'll see a clear sky tomorrow night, and heading into Thursday, that streak of sunshine will continue all across the area with the continuation of that east to northeasterly wind across our area. As far as how long this dry weather pattern will last, let's take a look at the longer range pattern. You can see the motion of that upper level ridge gradually right over the top of us, and by the time we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we'll see those daytime highs return to the mid to upper 90s. Going to have to take it easy in the heat this weekend. Heat index values likely will be approaching 105, very similar to last weekend. And then moving forward, that ridge is going to move more towards the east, centering over the southeastern U.S. by the end of the weekend. Notice a lot of this tropical moisture here across the Gulf of Mexico. It does appear as if that's going to take a course which will take the heaviest rain to the east of the ArkLaTex, the way things are looking right now, or perhaps even to our south. We're still a long ways out. The models have not been very consistent on the path of this moisture into the southern U.S. Again, this model taking a lot of the moisture actually further to the west into Mexico. But nonetheless, it's something that we'll have to keep an eye on as we go through next week, as it is possible that we could see some heavy rain if the bulk of that moisture moves towards the ArkLaTex. But as of right now, it doesn't look like it will. Here's the 7-day outlook from the Weather Prediction Center. You can see amounts, most of the ArkLaTex, 1/10 of an inch or less, maybe a little bit more over the southern sections of the area. And the blend of models of that numbers here have also dropped since yesterday, showing maybe 1/4 of an inch or less over the northern sections of the area, and again 1/4 to 1/2 an inch over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. Keep in mind that pretty much all of this is going to occur in that 6 to 10 day period, so we likely will continue to see some adjustments as we go through the next couple of days. So your forecast for tonight is looking partly cloudy. We'll see temperatures that will be pretty close to, if not a little bit below normal. Normal's now 70. We'll be at 69 in Shreveport, 64 in Texarkana, and 66 in Marshall. Tomorrow, expect lots of sunshine. It stays rather hot. Temperatures pretty close to normal in the upper 80s to lower 90s. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will crank up the heat. Mid-90s Thursday, mid to upper 90s Friday, Saturday, and Father's Day. Possibility for that scattered shower or thunderstorm will return starting Monday, and that at least chance for the rain will continue through most of next week. Notice the nighttime lows creeping up into the mid-70s. That tells you the humidity is going to be on the increase as well as we head into the weekend. So it looks like our streak of dry weather is going to continue for the rest of this week, as our next chance of rain holds off until the beginning of next week.